Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, we got going. We got going here. Yo, we got a shortened week this week, family. Hey, top of the morning, Ken. Top of the morning, Mom. How's everyone doing this morning? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Top of the morning, Corey. Ethan. Yo, what's up? What's up, Ethan? How's it going? Mahishu, good morning. Tyler, good morning. Is there important earnings this week? Not at all. The most important earnings I saw was Kroger, I believe. This is this week's earnings. So, maybe Lennar potentially. I feel like might. So this is according to EPS Whispers, the most anticipated earnings releases for the week of June 16th, 2025 are APPS, Digital Turbine, Lennar, Kroger, Aurora Cannabis. I've never heard of this one. PetMed Express, Accenture, Darden Restaurants, CarMax, and Powerfleet. So, let's see. Ricky Run, good morning. Kilo Hotel, top of the morning. Chilling, waiting to see if Tesla and Nvidia are going to go up this week. Let's get them pulled up. Let's get them pulled up. Oh wait, hold up. Started the morning off kind of bullish here. Let's get those going too. All right, let's go up to a 6 chart. Oh, this is still throwing me off. Okay, so we'll pull up Tesla. You got the range on Tesla for the morning. Got the high about right there. Slap an alert on this line too. And then we got the... I feel like Tesla could see some upside. And then you said Nvidia. Let's see. Oh, I didn't even look at this one yet today. Here, let's get rid of this one for now. And the range on Nvidia, higher day is about right there. Let's move to a 15. All right. Slide that down a little bit more. All right, let's see. So yeah, we got Tesla and Nvidia up now. All right, let's see. Mark, top of the morning. D-Scurv, how was the run? Hey, I hit a wall so hard. It's like I finished, but like, what was it? Like, hey, there will be stories throughout this, but I hit like a wall. I would say it was the first time that's happened while I was like running a longer distance. I was trying to keep up with the Pacers, but the issue, because I had like a kind of safety time that still would have been a PR, but the Pacers were running like per mile like 30 seconds faster than they should have been for that pace. And I was just trying to stay with the Pacers because I wanted to be with them because I was like, oh, this is the time I'm doing. But they started off fast and kind of held up that speed. And I guess they slowed down at the end, whereas me, I start off slow to let my body get warmed up. And then typically start off slow, and then I typically speed up towards the end once it's like, okay, I still have this distance and I still have this much in the tank. But nah. But I did PR for like the 15K distance because it's like I don't usually run that hard going there. All right, Jordan, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Hey, shout out to the 7 people that have got on here. Smash like. trying to save us from El Salvador. Let's see. Uzoma, Kaiser. Hey, good morning. Frank, top of the morning. That bullish start seems like a trap. Might just be my instinct with everything that is going on. So there are stocks that should be affected by what's going on in the Middle East. But if you think about it, the majority of stocks in the market should not be affected. Like if we look at Amazon, I don't think anything going on in the Middle East is really going to have an effect on the price of, I don't know, like cloud infrastructure for Amazon data centers, or like just sales on their website or anything like that. Tesla, I don't know about Tesla sales. I don't think it really impacts them. Nvidia. So it's like, to my knowledge, it shouldn't have too much of an impact. I think companies like Oxy, USO, like oil company, gas companies, maybe war companies, we'll see them. Like Palantir should be honestly popping from this. Let's see how Palantir's doing. Yeah, Palantir's up today. This is good news for Palantir stock wise. Let's see. Nvidia got a good pullback starting the day. Let's go back to a 15 on Palantir. All right, let's see. Kareem, good morning. Dwight, good morning. Oh shoot, I see y'all got the likes up a little bit. Hey, we're liking it. Levi, good morning. Hey, liking, not lurking. Always appreciate you, D-Skirt. Hey, Jonathan, good morning. I hope each and every one of y'all had a great weekend. General of News, good morning. Majada Gator, good morning. Christine, good morning. Elegant Boom, good morning. Isaac, good morning. Happy trading. Hey, that's what we want. M-Sense, good morning. Hey, appreciate you. Hey, number 28. Esteban, good morning. Wealthy Risings, yeah. Oh, every day you wake up with air in your lungs, that's wealth right there. All right, then. Hey, we got 4 minutes till market opens. Okay. Feel like I want to put on some socks. I don't have socks on. Don't get any ideas. All right, we good. Junior, top of the morning. Big Reg, top of the morning. Oh. Ooh. Do you still think it's a good time to try and get those Oracle puts? My thing is we'll see. I'm kind of going to see what happens today. Honestly, if I had to assume, I would think I'm going to be down a little bit on them at open because they didn't move too much. Let me see what the simulator is estimating. But I'm hoping I can ride them like here. Let me actually drop down to the 15. But I was hoping just to try to like ride them to this about 208 level where I have this line. I think that could happen. I think that's a healthy pullback because they have support at about like 203 or so, or 203 or so. So I'm thinking there's potential there. And honestly, it might be able to go back to like 200. I want to see. So we're below the 38 EMA today, or right now. So I think it really just depends on how fast it moves. but that is something I'm gonna look at. So I paid 315 for it. I'm currently down 5 on it. It's estimated right now to be up $6 at open. So with the potential, I would say it's worth it, but there's no guarantee it plays out either. That's all I would say. I didn't get much time on it, but ideally I would be out of it today. So with that information, if that's worth it to you, then it's worth it. But if not, no. But yeah, I think there's money to be had because it's still pretty close to where I entered, like accounting for data and all that. What do I think about Exxon this morning? I think it could stand to go up. Here, we'll swap out Palantir. I feel like I would like to see it like pull back to about like, I guess 110 or so, or in that area. Then they might be go for upsize, but I don't know. I'm not the best with those. They do look like on the 15 they're crossing to the downside, so they might have a little downtrend or pullback today. Really just have to see. I have QQQ options that are expired today. I'm up 40%. Should I close it right after market open or wait? Kind of depends. Okay, so market just opened. So I usually say to see profit, take profit. So if it were me, I would take profit, but you do you. What strike price did you get? I got the 212.15 on the oracles, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, 212.5 is what I meant, not 212.15. I don't even think that's an option. Cool and Chris, top of the morning. Daniel, top of the morning. And good morning. Southern Magnolia, good morning. All right. I don't know what's going on with Tesla. Okay, so NVIDIA's quickly going to break the range. Tesla just touched support. So Tesla might have some upside. I still have this put that I'm trying to get out of. Or I still have this put I'm watching, so I'm not getting anything right now, but just with Tesla like coming and already touching support and looking like there's a lot of buyers, it's like I might consider upside. Or I might be considering upside, but we'll have to see. It's very volatile to start the day. Trenton, top of the morning. Yo, I got notifications popping off like crazy right now. All my alerts. I can't even keep up. So I'm gonna just have to look at what's on screen right here. A little more focus on Oracle right now. Here, we'll switch Exxon to Hood because I just got an alert on Hood too. Okay, Hood at resistance. Let's see. All right, what SPY? Okay, SPY is hitting resistance. Honestly, this could be a good area to. They just swept liquidity up here, so this could be a point where we sell off and pull back. I could see the SPY pulling back to at least 645, if not starting some sort of downtrend or making its way to support. All right, we got Tesla selling off more. We got Oracle selling off more. So we're still in that first 15 minutes, so gotta wait and see what's happening. But so Palantir, so they did have this liquidity over here. Right now, it does look like it swept. So this could be grounds for a move to like a reversal. Honestly, like right here at market open, things can kind of go either way, but it does look like we have like some sweeps of liquidity. But it's still like so early, you don't know. So Tesla just closed in that gap, filled in the gap. Um, they could be on the up and up. If I'm here, I'm gonna move up to the 30 on Tesla just to see if there's anything there. All right, so we're approaching like a 48 level on Tesla. All right, EI going today. The founder passed away. What is EI? Let's see. Just want to let y'all here. Actually, we'll swap out Nvidia. Let's check out EI. What, or is that EL? What is Oh, EL, okay. Estee Lauder? Okay. That's my stock right there. Here, let's go on a higher time frame. Chairman Leonard Lauder dies. Passed away at 92. Joined in 19. That's wild. R.I.P. R.I.P. man. Okay. I guess that's a. I hope that's not a catalyst for the stock going up, but I gotta say, like, I'm just, all I can say is, yo, that's my stock right there. That's one of my stocks, one of my little dividend stocks that I think, one of my divvy growths. I think there's plenty of growth to be had, as well as down here I think it's a great dividend to buy, in my opinion, or dividend stock to buy. All right, so Hood's the only one at the moment, like, still progressing to the upside. That Oracle is up 10% from where I bought it. But right now, still no new plays, just kind of chilling on the day from where we are. All right, so Tesla's pulling back even more. I already got that gap closed. SPY still chilling up there. The Qs is still chilling up there. Right now, still entertaining the possibility of a sweep of liquidity. Here, let me pull Nvidia back up for this EL spot. Yeah, still entertaining the possibility of a sweep of liquidity, but we'll have to see. Honestly, in my mind, I think a good area, if Tesla can make it there, if Tesla pulls back to this, if Tesla pulls back to this blue line, looks like it's around 223. And if it starts catching some buying pressure there, I think that's going to be, that could be a good entry for, like, if you're trying to ride it for, is today the day? Let's see. What is there? Is it the 19th or whatever? Whenever they're having that day. Commercial broke and interrupted the stream. Gotta hate. Oh, hold on. I didn't change the ad settings today. Hold up. Where we at? So right now it's on balance. Let me drop it to conservative. Think y'all should find less ads. We'll see. I think I saw something about YouTube. I don't know, like, going. I think they're about to start throwing in longer ads or something, or less ads where you can skip. So, oh, you said it's the 22nd? Okay. All right. What is that? This Friday's the 20th. The market is closed on Thursday, which is. I'm not looking for anything on Nvidia. I'm just looking at it. It's already broken the morning's resistance. Just seeing kind of how it does. Right now, I'm more focused on Oracle, seeing what that does. But yeah, right now, dang, it's only been 8 minutes. This first 8 minutes, I'm not gonna lie, seems like it's been going pretty slow. But it's like usually make no moves the first 15 minutes, unless I'm just trying to throw money out or I gotta have some like high confidence. Alani, good morning. All right, so we got Oracle trying to push up here now. Hopefully it doesn't like moon and make a new eye, but um, I'm still chilling for now. All right, so we're pushing right now still. Mad, good morning. Oh, also, I want to take this time to make a comment about what happened on Friday. So on Friday, we got off the stream. I closed out my trade, and then, I look at the market, and I'm like, dang, it's at 596. The put I had was for, I think it was like 599 or something. I'm like, dang, if I held on to that. But it is what it is. It's one of those things that happens on Friday. But it definitely did not look like that was going to happen at all. I was even trying to like play their games. Jeremy, top of the morning, top of the morning. Oh, and if y'all are like wondering what I'm doing, I'm just throwing these little firefly recovery things on my legs. All right, let's see. Yeah, top of the morning, Jeremy. Um, how does SoFi look? I did get an alert from SoFi, but I got it when every other alert was going off, so I didn't look. Here, let's see. So right now, they did kind of break above the resistance, but we're still in that first candle. So this could still be a sweep of liquidity. So right now, it's like there's no telling it is like in an uptrend on the lower time frame or on the 15 minute, but really have to see what kind of what happens. Austin, I want to learn. That's good. Depending on where you are in your journey, I have a playlist that I believe can take you pretty far. Here, I'll drop that down below in the comments. Let's see. See what we got here. Oh, where's it at? Somebody delete my playlist? Oh no, there it is. All right, yeah, let's drop it in the comments. Yeah, that's the playlist. All right. Yeah, I was so mad I sold my put Friday. It's like I kind of was a little bit. I wasn't like mad. I was just like, wow. I'm like, of course. I kind of come to expect it. a little bit. But I was just like, oh wow, that would have been nice. T Banks, good morning. Hey, Master DRC, top of the morning. What's the best day trading brokers to use? I think it depends on what you're doing and what you're trading, honestly. Um, if you're trading something that's easy to get, if you're actually, let's say that it depends on the time frame you're trading on. Like if you're scalping, then I would say you probably want something more sophisticated, like a maybe an E trade, maybe a thinkorswim or something like that. Because actually, honestly, I think with any kind of desktop trading platform, you're able to kind of set up the hotkeys, but I think those kind of give you better execution, faster executions. But if you're in and out of a trade and you don't necessarily need it to be like say you're in a trade like at least 3 minutes or more, I don't think it matters that much. But if you're at the point where you're like, oh yeah, let me get in here. Oh, it quickly like jumped up. Let me sell out. I think you need something that's going to actually be quick. So all right, so we got SoFi. Okay, most things are they're starting. They got their first candle completely above. So we'll see kind of how we do here with different things. Oh, AMD's running up. Okay, let's see. What are we gonna? Let's swap out Robinhood. Oh, we got the SPY trying to move up too. Actually, hold up, AMD. Let me go to a 4 hour real quick. So we came up, pulled down. I'd be interested to see what happens at this kind of 22, kind of 30 kind of level. So yeah, we'll leave that there, but I'm gonna pull Hood back up. Hey, top of the morning, Will. I got 119 on SPY put. Hey, good stuff. I'm glad you were able to benefit from it. Yeah, Palantir, they're benefiting from the current situation. So I'm not going to chase them, but they can continue to run because they kind of have the perfect storm of things in their favor. I'm just not going to chase them up here. Palantir for me is when we get a solid pullback, I'll take my time, get a call, but just kind of where it is, I'm not messing with it. That's why I'm not like watching it too heavy, but I will like sit here and continue to watch it kind of go up and do its thing and be like, yo, let's go Palantir. AMD running up, got in on the 121 call for it. Yeah, so once again with AMD, I would like to see how it reacts at 122.30. If it still like has solid steam there, then it's like, oh shoot, okay. Well, actually after there, here, I'll pull it back up over here. After that, I say top for that probably going to be 125. That's going to be the top of the supply zone. And then there's also a trend line there. If it like holds above that, then it's probably AMD trying to go crazy. But okay, so right now I'm seeing some serious liquidity on, or at least on SoFi. Or it's looking like it. It can still sell off somewhere. SoFi, what do we have over here? Hood. Let's check in on NVIDIA again real quick. we'll have to see what happens. Does Theta keep working on the weekends when the market? Yes. Yes, it does. Theta is constantly in effect, but what you should know about Theta is whatever that number is when you see it from one day to the next, like at market open, that's how much the contract is going to lose from like one market open to the next, or market close to market open, or from one day to the next. It may not be exact, but it's like if you see a theta of like 0.35, just know that the next day the market opens, if it's in the same price or same place, it's going to be down at least $35. Okay, SPY looked like it's, oh, that looked kind of like a violent jump there on the moment. Oh, it looked like a violent push right there. All right, so what got this here? Tesla turn back soon. We'll see. We'll see. Tesla filled in a gap. It hasn't really closed that. Oh, it's on a. I forgot Tesla's on a 30. Yeah, so as of right now, Tesla's still respecting this 48 EMA. So it's like we kind of just have to see. We haven't gotten confirmation on anything. I still got my little challenge account that I need to get my 10% for the week for. Only got 4 days to do it this week. Oh, hold on. Let me see what my target is. I think I don't even need to get as much this week because last week I got more. I think this is week 6. Let me do a quick check. Quick little check in real quick. Here, let's run it back. 200. 52. 10. Yeah, I think this is week 6. So I need to be at about 355, and I'm already at 336. So what? That's like a $20. Okay. I'm gonna be patient though, so I don't end up getting whopped. All right, so we're pushing up. We got a Oracle trying to make a progress to the downside. Big gap on SPY. I think it'll come back and fill it. It'll eventually fill it. Will it happen today? No idea. It's like honestly with the SPY, when it comes to same day gap fills, I kind of let that idea go. Just because they I don't know, trying to do things short term with SPY, they really be on the games. Do you think Tesla will be rising this? So yeah, I think that's what I think. But it doesn't matter what I think, remember that. But I think it will rise. Yeah, it's like we're still in the first like 22 minutes of market open, so they can still be toying with us right now. Completely cooked on circle put. Someone please tell me. So you'll be okay, Eric. This should just be a lesson. Let's take a look at circle though, real quick. Oh, hold up, wrong chart. I want to look at it over here. All right, so this is a part of the reason I don't mess with like IPOs. I do think it'll come down. Honestly, I'm gonna be real. It does look good for puts. Almost makes me let me see what their puts are looking like. This week, if We'll go out to July. Were they IPO'd at like 64? Interesting. Okay. I'll say they look interesting. Honestly, I hope they could hold up here for a little bit. And that might be some. Actually, hold on. Let me get a little more time. Let me see what they're looking like with more time. Like if we looked at like January of next year. Oh no. It's still too expensive. Okay. Okay, so we're still pushing up. Kind of strong on some things. All right. Let's see. OKLO was insane. Yeah, so they are another one that's going to benefit from kind of what's going on. So yeah, OKLO, yeah, they're up like 10% on the day, doing their thing. Doing their thing. I've watched this chat about 5 times and still no money moves. What do you mean by 5 times? But I haven't done anything today. Right now I'm still watching ORCL. I was like, if you here, let me see how I'm doing on that. Yeah, right now I'm in the Oracle put and I'm up like just like $15 on it, but I have my target. If it runs the target, it'll be some money. It's been super irrational the last 2 days. No, yeah, that's how it is. That's how the market likes to move. Honestly, I'd be more interested just to see how you respond to kind of this high from Friday. So here, now that we're up here, I'm gonna take this and just kind of, yeah, I would like to see if we get there, how we respond. Let's do the same on the Qs. Ooh. All right, let's see. Walmart just passed the previous day's high. Go look up at that one. So we got a lot of stuff passing previous day's high. Like Robinhood's above the previous day's high. OKLO's above previous day's high. Oracle's above its previous day's high. So that's like most of the market right now. It's like we can look at Walmart, but let's. So right now, first place I would look and see how Walmart does at if it gets to 96. And then after that, see about like 96.82. All right, what do we have down here? What we're looking at? They say time heals all wounds except in options. Time is the Yup. That it is. That it is. Oh, I also got an alert from Google earlier. Oh, they hit support. Lucky J. Oh, happy Monday. Oh, that star is looking good, Lucky J. What's up? No money moves. You want to see what I did last week? Oh yeah, I think you went off with like Ford and what is it, like QS? Yeah, you were going off last week. $80 on Hims today. What's Hims looking like today? Oh, Hims looking like that. Okay. What, this is a 15-minute chart? Oh, there's some liquidity up here. So once again, be interested to see how they respond right there. AMD still green at 122.40. Here, we'll take another look back, see what kind of strength it has. Why did my alert not go off? Oh no, I did get it. Okay. Guess it was just right away. No, wait, I think it was okay. So a little liquidity here. Let's see how this candle closes. See what they do right here. It's a brand new candle, but still gotta see where we're going. This range on Oracle is tight. All right, so Hims looks like I just got an alert on Hims as well. They look like they're at that liquidity too. Where's Hims? There we go. I forgot I could do that. Can you look at interactive brokers? What are you trying to look at with interactive brokers? I need to know what I'm looking for here, because honestly, interactive brokers looks like it's in a bunch of chop. Like if I were to look at it, it's like I think it's like you can maybe go like this. It's like there might be a little channel here on interactive brokers. Let's see. I'm not really fully sure. I don't think they get like the volume. I know they're a big company, but I don't think they get the volume to move the way that stocks I typically trade are. Because right here is like the volume on each of these candles is like pretty low in perspective. So beyond that channel, I don't really have much to say about it. What we have right here, Tesla. Yup, over 300%. Hey, that's what's up. All right, are the Qs overbought right now? On the 15, yes. But if you look at something like the 4-hour, probably not after that drop on Friday. So what's wild is we're still in a position to, like, we can still push if we want. Let me clear some of these out. So honestly, thesis for all-time highs before coming down Still on the table. Here, let's go up to the fourth. The SPY too. SPY 604 incoming. Could be. Jeremy says, see if it's good for a call. So I would want to see it break, like where it's at right now. I would want to see it break that range first, like break, like if it's a longer call, I would say it looks like it's getting ready to like potentially burst out, but beyond that, it's like shorter term, I wouldn't necessarily grab a call where it is right now, but it could be depending on what you're targeting. Emmett, good morning. Good morning. What was the strike and date? So I grabbed it's for this week, and it's in the money right now. It's the 212.50. It was out of the money when I bought it, but right now I'm only up 3% because it's been moving sideways since I grabbed it. But y'all don't go too crazy with the puts on Oracle. If they get enough puts on Oracle, they'll send it up some more. All right, AMD up at 123. Hims is looking like, yo, they swept that liquidity. Now they're pulling back. I might go light on like just looking at it right now. I might go light on a put on the SPY on my challenge account. I wouldn't go like I don't want to go on a big position, but here let me see what's. Oh, it's kind of pricey. Maybe I need to go more than I thought. What's the theta on these? Cause I got time on it, so I'm not as worried. But yeah. Even if it moves $1, I hit my target. So I think I'm cool with that. All right, so I just here. Let me. This one's from the challenge. Here, let me mark that so I don't have to mark it later. I need to change the dollar amount on the caption that I'm trading with, but I grabbed a buy 594 put that expires on the 26th, and I paid, what did I pay? I paid $3.21 per share. So yeah, I got 10 days till that expires. So I'm not really too worried about that. And that's going to be for my challenge, or for the little 52-week challenge. Now let me share that with the family. All right, everyone. Wait, hold up. Just picked up a, what was it, a 594? Yeah, 594 SPY put expiring June 26, paid 321 per share. This is for my okay. Cool. All right, got that in there. Here, let's add that. Let's add that put up here. So SPY. Trade SPY options. Let's say June 26. Yeah. And it was like a 594. Oh, put. I was about to say. All right, there we go. Oh, let's go back to the charts. There we go. Oh, we got Oracle moving a little bit. 212, low a day. All right. April, good morning. Why didn't I buy those 100 QS calls? Where's it at? Where's it at? Let's see. Oh, these are pants. Where's my hoodie at? Here we go. Slip a little hoodie on right now. Oh, we don't want to do that right there. What you said? Oh, puts. Okay. All right, let's see. So SPY 603 wouldn't be. Wait. So SPY 603, wouldn't this be good time for a put tomorrow? Possibly. I just want more time so I don't have to worry about it, or don't have to worry as much about data. Because that's when I have less time, I have less confidence to like wait some of the trades out, because I just see my account value going down just because it's not doing anything yet. So I just feel better whenever I get more time. How would puts look for SoFi at 1470? See liquidity there, but don't know if it'll. Here, let's see. So to me, SoFi hit, like just speaking off like what's in my mind, SoFi hit the top of that supply zone. So they took out the supply zone like over here. And they made like actually they did kind of fall kind of far here. Let's go back to a 4 hour real quick. Okay, so they did fall back to the bottom of the range. So honestly, I would want to see what they did here. There is a gap up to like 1482, so it would really just depend on how they respond there. In all honesty, I'll start top of the morning. I just don't understand. Israel and Iran are at war. The market is moving right along. So there are always countries at war. So it's like the war in other countries. Honestly, a lot of times will affect us in a more positive way than negative way. Like stock wise, because it's like, if you think about whenever Russia and Ukraine first started getting in a war, or first began their war, it's like, yeah, we dropped, but we eventually popped from that. All the war stocks ended up going up. It's like we kind of get it and then we just forget about it. The stuff that benefits from it goes up. And honestly, like the majority of US stocks don't really not or like don't really suffer that much from it just because we don't do too much business over there. So I don't know. Tatiana, good morning. Shalovsi, good morning. Yeah, war makes us money. It is very profitable for the US whenever we get war. And it's like if you look at something like Palantir, um, yeah, Palantir Bank is made for Palantir at war. Wait, didn't we just look at QS? Hold up. Wait, why are you saying $1? Wait, okay. Sector rotation. Is that what's going on? Everyone punch that like button. Hey, that's a good idea. Yeah, be sure to smash that like button, boot that like button, punch that like button, tap that like button. Hey, interact with it somehow. All fun until Iran starts aiming. Okay, yeah. Whenever that happens, if they start coming at us, that's when it's like, oh, yeah, let's get out of the stock market here, because then I don't know. And if they started targeting specific businesses or something, yeah, that's when you start seeing the calls were $1 each. Caress the like button. That's something right there. What are the calls at now, Matt? All right, let's see. Let me check in on Hood. 18. Yeah, that would have been some money, Matt. Starting to think put. Any thoughts? Tell me why it's probably so I personally have two puts. So I mean they're depending on what you're looking at. Oh, you said APLD. Oh, hold up. I mean, short term, it's in a downtrend, but this move could be like a double bottom with like the low. Like this could be a sweep of liquidity move. Let's see. Oh wait, hold up. So right now it's like right here at the 48 EMA on the 4 hour. So it could find support here. It's also at another support level around this 1120 area. So right here, for me, this is a wait and see. It can go either way. The RSI is pretty close to being right in the middle too. So it could go either way, M sense. Just sold my AMD call to lock in and profit. Too easy. Hey, good stuff, Tech Dad. That's what we like to hear. Let me check in on these oracles real quick. See how we doing there. Hey, the oracle's up 16%, $53. Making its way. Still haven't completely crossed to the downside yet, but hey, we got movement on Oracle. It's cool. It's in the money. Up about 20% now. It's making moves. It's like I could see it getting to like if it wants to run to the next support, I'd be cool with that. Oh, that's another area I might want to consider taking profit to. Like this 209 area. All right, so SPY. What is at that previous? It's at the I think Friday's high. Not Friday. No, not Friday's high. It's Thursday's highs. It's where the SPY is at right now. See if it takes some liquidity here. Oh, I forgot to hold up. I didn't even do the. I knew I forgot something here. I didn't even ask the poll. And I guess better late than never. Is the stock market going? Oh wait, to close red or green today? Red. Oh. Green. Break even. There we go. There's the poll. You didn't miss the poll. The poll just missed you. But it's there now. Yeah, I think it's a fake out. But nah, Mass 3DRC. Hey, the poll. It came for you. Don't get any ideas, Matthew or Matt. All I gotta say about that. I will vote green until Powell talks or Trump opens his mouth. So the odds of a rate cut went down again. What minute chart do you have on the Qs? It's a 15-minute chart right now. I think everything except for APLD is on a 15. Let me switch to a 15. All right, so the Qs is crossing that level too. All right, Oracle, 20%. Selling on off. Here, let's see. 304 call, SPY bang. Let's go. You take profit or you just enter? Is it still good time to enter Oracle put? I can't say honestly. If I really wanted to enter, like especially on the time frame I'm on, I would wait for a pullback till probably retest of these EMAs. Like right here, you can see you have I don't know, the EMAs are around like 213, 30 or so. So I would probably that's where I would wait. But I can't tell you whether or not it's a good time. It's like if you look at it on a 4-hour, it's like it's very overbought, but I only have like contracts that expire this week, so I cannot say. Just for the sake of my monetization, I'm not going to read that, Matt, but I hope you stay hydrated. I think we see 605 on the SPY today, but I don't expect much over. Let's see. I think that's very well possible. Yeah, it's like honestly, I would like to see us hurry up and come take these all-time highs so we can move where we need to. But we're just taking our time. Don't be a drinky. I'm gonna be real. Whenever you tell somebody, let me say this again. Let me scrap that and say it again. I'm gonna be real. Whenever it comes to somebody doing something or something you don't want someone to do, I would typically say like a better move to kind of go with instead of telling them not to do something. Or I would typically just say avoid telling them not to do something, because usually when you tell someone not to do something, people naturally don't like being told to do what to do. Naturally like to kind of defy authority. So it's like when you tell somebody not to do something bad, oh, it takes a level of maturity to like I'm not sure if it's necessarily respecting authority, but like realizing like, oh, maybe this was said out of love, or maybe this was said in my best interest, and I'm going to do what's right. But I don't know. Okay, hello came down. Is this a good time to get in? So I don't follow when it comes to these moves that are on kind of receiving hype from the current situation. I'm not going to chase those. So for me, like if it's just down on the day, I wouldn't do it. But if it like pulls back to an actual like level of support on a higher time, that would be cool. But it's like you got the 13 EMA right here at like 67.90. And it's like potentially. But for me, I wouldn't personally touch it till that at least pulls back to like 59. Progressive thoughts and moves only. If I got the IV at 82, that means I'm eating my gains by the day. So when it comes to IV, there's not like an exact number or anything like that. The only thing that I really think about when it comes to IV is like if it's high, I just know I'm paying more for the options contract. So if you buy something with a high IV and it's not moving, just know you're losing money. Whereas if the IV is low, you're not really going to necessarily be losing money like that just because it's not moving. But like if you look at AMD right now, the IV for some of the options probably ran up because that's a solid move on the morning. But as soon as AMD stops moving, which is right at that level where it can reverse, which honestly I would say this might be a good point to get a short on AMD because it's at the top of the supply zone. It's at the trend line. And if we kind of sit and wait here, it might take the candle, but there is a strong chance we have a reversal here on AMD. All right, let's see. Have you already given a signal for the challenge today? So I grabbed a put on SPY. I have 10 days on it. I grabbed a 594. So I wouldn't really call that a signal, but I would say that's what I did. And I got in around 321, so I'm down like I don't know, like $14 on it right now. I think I only need to make $20 this week. $9.30 to $9.45. I'm a strong, independent woman that don't need no man. Oh, Matt. I sometimes share my wins. This time I'm sharing my losses, and they're big. I had 38 and $35 puts on SRPT down over here. Let's see. SRPT. What is this? Oh, therapeutic. Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that, Tatiana. So you had 38 and 30. You had puts? Wait, you had puts and you're down on it? Did you sell the puts? Okay. I was about to say, I'm like, yo, I was gonna say you should be making it back. Well, sorry to hear that. What do you think about Tesla? I think Tesla will find its way to go up over the coming days. I think we'll probably just see it go up. I've been willing SRPT for years. And they hit you with the flat tire today. That's not cool. Oh, I would say like biotechs, therapy, pharmaceuticals and stuff like that. They're tough. Like with their price movement and stuff. And it's cool to like take a chance and pick them up when they're low, but they can go kind of crazy sometimes. I got a call at the 326 level. Oh, that's a good area. So there was like that liquidity pre-market there, or no, I guess right at open, they kind of created that liquidity, and then actually it doesn't look like they swept it, but did you get in SPY push Friday? So I did earlier in the day, but then they pushed up past my stop. And I was done for the day. I don't remember exactly where it was. Here, let's see. I think maybe I was looking at this. I don't know. So 8:45. No, I feel like I got in the call before that. Or no, I got in puts before that. I think I got in puts. Maybe I got in puts here. Then they ran up like here. And then I was just, yeah, I got out before. So they had like strength. And I got out. I'm not sure like exactly where I got in on the puts, but I probably got in over here. If I'm being real, probably got in down here. And then they ran up. But then the puts ended up being very in the money. I was in shorts over the weekend. I thought the market was, yeah, I don't know. The market seems to be running the play of, yo, we only go up. So it's kind of tough to grab puts right now on things if we're being real. It's like you will get an opportunity and then, or you'll see your opportunity overnight, and then as soon as market opens, it'll be fixed. Yeah, let's see. I feel like Qs are going to hit all-time highs at this rate. Here, let's see. Yeah, I feel like the Qs and the SPY, they're both about the same distance away from their all-time highs, so I don't think it's off the table. I was in shorts over the week. Oh, okay. I feel like the Qs are okay. I traded it a few times, but played it safe mostly. Honestly, nothing wrong with playing it safe right now. Oh, I just got a notification. What's it say? Okay, so I got a notification from CNBC. Dow rallies 500 points. Oil retreats as investors bet Israel-Iran conflict will be contained. Was hoping for SPY to come down to 325, 48 EMA for a call, but it's slow right now. Yeah, I guess we'll have to see what happens at Euro close. That's in about an hour or so. AMD looks like it's ready to sell out though, in my eyes. Let's see. Did you ever get a chance to try out Cow? Um, I mean, I was messing around with it on stream on what Friday, but or was it Thursday? I don't know, but it's like oh, I use the mobile platform, so it's like when it comes to the desktop, I did not do anything with it. I forgot what I did on Friday. I don't know. But no, I didn't do more off stream. Achuhu, good morning. What's for lunch today? Hey, that's a good question. What's for lunch today? I wish I could tell you. You think LMT is a good buy right now? So it looks like right now all the kind of war plays. I think it's a good like potential like I think it's a good potential like technically if you look at well that's on the day, but technically it looks good on the day. If we go to the 4 hour, it's probably good to see this pullback. So I would pretty much say if you think that things will escalate or continue to escalate, then yeah. And honestly, if I had to assume, I would assume there would still be escalation. Just pretty much the narrative of, oh, things are going to be okay or things are going to be resolved just allowed for all the gaps to be filled. And it's looking like gaps are filled now. So all it takes is one bit of news for them to turn it around and just kind of have things reverse. I'm biased towards Chipotle for lunch just because I'm a shareholder. I don't even know. We got this. There's a taco spot by me. That's all right. I have no idea what I'll eat. Whatever my wife. What's today? Monday? Yeah, I think my wife's gonna be here. So whatever my wife wants to make, that'll be my lunch move. Oh, low key, we still haven't got a confirmation candle on the SPY or the Qs. Let me slide that over. So let's. Oh, actually, it doesn't even matter right now, but because we're still looking at this is like Thursday's high, not on the morning. Hey, tacos sound. I feel like tacos always sound good on the cool, or at least to me. Meta. Oh, did they? Did they? Here, we'll swap out Tesla real quick. Where's Meta? So this, I would still say this. Oh wait, let's slide it a little more. So this low of day, this little 693 area, that might be a good spot to grab a call on the cool. Sold my Tesla call to get me back in green from my shorts. I know the struggle. I know the struggle. Eat from Dollar Tree. I'm a shareholder. Sometimes they have. Sometimes wait, Dollar Tree. Yeah. Sometimes Dollar Tree they have they'll have some good food there sometimes. If you but you have to have it from you gotta eat it pretty fast because like for instance with bread when I used to put bread up, the bread that went to Dollar Tree is the bread that I would have to pull from, like, say it was like a Walmart or something. It's like, all right, it's getting too close for it to be in Walmart. All right, let's take it over to Dollar Tree, but it'll get snapped up like faster. So I like the desktop version of it. Pretty intuitive. Let me know if you check it out though. Want to compared to TradingView, Matt, I was already able to like look at it. I like it. Like I like it. I can tell you because we were playing around with it on the stream. I like the stuff that you can do on it for free, the widgets and stuff. I really do like it. Um, I didn't see any way to change the color of my candles. I know for a fact they don't have this profit and or they don't have this what is this tool called? This little trade projection tool. So the long position tool or the short position tool. So those are probably going to be the two biggest things that TradingView has on like most everything for me. But I do. I for sure like it more than Legends. Had a walking taco at the horse show yesterday. Put your own toppings on that. It hit this one. Oh, okay. I thought you were talking about like somebody in a taco costume. I was about to say, but that sounds good. That sounds very good. I could go for that. Y'all are making me want tacos now. Even though I had like actually I didn't even get tacos from the taco place yesterday. I got like quesadillas. But yeah, I can go for tacos now. Dang. Oops, I meant to say, but snacks, toiletries, cleaning products, trinkets. So I used to get some of that from the store Dollar Tree, but then I'm like, yo, I started realizing that like I can. It's like everything seems cheap at Dollar Tree because everything I guess it's $1.25 now instead of a dollar. But I was like, I went to the stores where they had the same stuff, and I'm like, oh, they have versions for a dollar too. And it's like, what's really nice is you have the combination of what is it? You have the common like you have the accumulation of all the AMD might be doing something like to the upside possibly. Just putting it out there. But it's nice that you have it all together, everything there's the same price. But it's like, oh, I'm sometimes able to find better quality for the same price elsewhere. So that's a thought. All right, y'all. A quick favor to ask. If you happen to have Instagram, my wife doesn't know about this. She's here, so I'm talking quietly. My wife doesn't know about this, but she just sent me, I think she made a post on Instagram. If you have Instagram, it would be really cool if you could like go vote on this post and like it just so that I don't know, she can get excited that like people saw it. Because usually when she like a post does something, she's like, oh, this happened. So that'd be cool. If not, it's fine. But if so, hey, I'm gonna drop the link in the chat right now. All right. No, back to the market. Let's see. All right, so let's see. Uh any good options advice this morning? So I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not really qualified to give advice, so I don't really have advice, but it's like I don't know, getting more time on your contracts gives you more time to be right. If Netflix, oh, Cameron, good morning. If Netflix bounces around the 1209 area, oh, let's see. So I like when people ask questions like that. It's like, okay, tell me what you want me to look for. Here, let's see. 1209. I mean, there's some support there. I would, oh, here, let's see. I don't know what time frame to look at Netflix on. Let's see. Like, it looks like there's some liquidity at like 1182 or so. Let's see the daily. Still about that 1180 area. I mean, there's support in that area. I mean, I don't really. Here, let's go back to the lower time frame. I mean, there's a little liquidity down there too. What's this pre-market? No, it's Friday. There's some liquidity there, so there's an opportunity. I'm just not like when it comes to expert or Netflix. I'm not like it's tricky to me. So it's like there are some stocks that would pull back to that and go up with. So I'm gonna say it's a possibility, but I'm gonna be real. I don't know. Oh, there is a little gap right there too. So it's like, oh, fill gap, sweep liquidity. I think there's potential for that. Oh, also just a comment about that link I posted. If she says anything, I'll let y'all know tomorrow. All right, let's see. I use Robinhood Legend for day trades. It's man, hope they continue. They should continue to work on it. They should. But it's great if you're just starting out. All right, okay. I hopped into a TSLL call, paid 17, expiring. Watching. So honestly, with a move like that, MSense, that would be when I wouldn't look at it on a day for. I would look at that. I would look to that's one that I could see popping overnight. But honestly, with a trade like that, I wouldn't expect to take profit on that during stream. Not today. So I would want to see kind of how it does. So I would say like that move. Shouldn't be necessarily be looking at exits yet. That's like a high hope kind of trade at the moment. Okay, I did notice that just from watching the stream. Also, I like it. Wait. Also, I like how your watch list does the blink thing when the stock goes up or down. Oh, does Moomoo not do that? I felt like most kind of do, but okay. AMD is showing the 3 green candles. Okay. Let's go to the 30 then. Oh wait, wrong. Yeah, AMD might be forming confirmation, so they might be go for calls. We'll see. MSense said name. LOL voice came change. Give me a good option. Call to buy. Henry, good morning. I love the energy, Lucky J. Still waiting on the cues to come down. Yeah, let's see what happens at Euro close. See if it happens today. I voted for tennis. Oh, I need to stop reading these out loud. Low-key, let me know. Hey, let's go on. Let me Let me do a poll. We'll do a new poll right now. Let me close this one. I see 76% green. Okay. Let me see what she asked real quick. Wait, okay. I know which one I'm better at, but there we go. I did my vote. All right. Let's see. I also know which one I would rather watch. So here, we'll just say, yeah. And we'll have a third option for y'all too. Okay, so let's go. I'll give y'all a little third option. All right. Yeah, we got three little questions there. Yeah, AMD doing this thing, making me kind of sad. It means I'm gonna have to average in higher today. Okay, so we see. Okay, I see your votes. Okay, going to jump in that SPY put. Oh, the. Okay, I was about to say. I thought you were talking about. Okay, yes, Okay, SPY doesn't want to give up just yet. May have a 4-0. We'll see. We'll see. We got 40 minutes till Euro close. Okay. Bought a call for Apple at a strike. Here, let's take a quick look at Apple. Let's see what Apple's looking like. Cause I think I had a call on Apple, but after like doing more analysis, I was like, oh dang, actually they look kind of like a put move. I forgot what I saw that had me like leaning towards puts. Oh, I think it might have been like the EMAs on this time frame. They low-key might be in a channel. Let me see if I can so it's like I would say if that does play out, it would be a breakout. All right, so we're getting a pullback, but what's gonna happen with this? That's my question. It looks like Chevron has major gaps to fill. Yeah, we can take a look. Here, let's see. Oh yeah, Oracle trying to go make progress again. Here for it. They kind of had their pullback. This would have been the chance. It didn't like perfectly touch the EMA, but that's a kind of like entry I was talking about. But here, was it CVX? So, looks like Chevron has major gaps to fill going long. Here, we'll probably have to zoom out to a weekly for this. Right now it's at a weekly kind of resistance area. This like 146 area. Looks like it's serving as resistance. Oracle moving a little bit more. Let's see. Hold on one second. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. Yo, that's so weird. So I just went to like check in with my wife because I tried to click on her post, and like Instagram just suspended her account just like out of nowhere. That's kind of wild. All right, let's see. All right, so we're doing a little bit of pulling back. Got in and out of the 604 call, made some money. So it's trying for 80. Oh, here, let's see. Oh, let's swap out the Apple. Oh, I forgot they had gone up and done that. Oh, so next area. Wait. So they're at this previous high over here. Let's slide that. All right. Just so we know where it's at. Yeah, but Chevron has resistance at 146. Next area is going to be about 150 or so. Like it definitely, honestly, now could be a better time for that. It's not anything that I would take, but there's potential for that. Let me pull up AMD again. Yeah, AMD is seeming very on. Hey, glad to hear you made some money though, Ryan. That's good stuff. All right, so we're pulling back a little bit on the Qs. We got the SPY here. I think it'd be a solid move to if we get a move to like this 13 EMA. That's cool for me. That's more than a challenge for me. I think I only needed like $20 to hit my goal today. My puts almost. I think the IV has kind of gone up on those puts because the puts like $2 from break even for, or oh, I guess not anymore. Okay. You said, I think you said put on Apple, how far out? I didn't say anything about puts on Apple. I was saying like I can see downside, but I'm not going for puts on Apple. Asked up 10% on the day. I still want to see what happens with AMD. Good little morning. Looks like it's catching some resistance, but good little morning. It's kind of wild how my wife's bro, they just got my wife all blocked right now. kind of messed up. All right. Hey, have a great day, Tatiana. Stay blessed. Hey, you'll get it back from your, what was it, that therapeutic company. Shorts looking a little juicy. Oh, I read that from a different perspective. I was like, I don't know. I was like, what shorts are you looking at? But you're talking about like stocks. I was like, okay, all right. I was gonna say that's a creepy comment. Tell her to reach out, but be careful with the sign it. Nah, yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you. Yeah, okay, yeah. I feel like this happens to a lot of people. I'm not sure if it's happened to me, but I feel like I know a lot of people it's happened to. Loki, it might have been me asking y'all to like do it. They're probably like, "Whoa, this is unusual." They probably thought it was like a botted situation, but I don't know. I don't know how many of y'all actually looked, but I didn't think it would be anything that was like too out of the ordinary. It didn't necessarily give a reason why though. What was the AMD update? So AMD looks like they may be breaking out. We'll kind of have to see. Like right now it could just be a oh, because honestly I do have this trend line. They've been above it before, but it could be a breakout. We just have to see. So I'm waiting for this 30-minute candle. See what kind of comes of it. But yeah, AMD they're looking good. Robinhood is looking great. I think they opened like down pretty. Yeah, they opened at 75. Oh well, that's not as big of a move as I thought they made, but they still looking good today. I just got FOMO on the queues for calls. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. We will have to see what happens. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. Did we get any news? Nvidia AMD hood just went very. Hold up. Here, let's see. Let's see. Let me check some news sources. News. Boeing's head of commercial airplanes. Okay, met in India to discuss crashes. European Commission says the EU has, from the start, objectified to unjustified and illegal U.S. tariffs. European Commission says reports suggesting EU accepts a U.S. tariff of 10% are speculative and do not reflect current state of discussions. Let's see. U.S. military moves a large number of refueling tanker aircraft to Europe to provide options to Trump amid Middle East tensions. Trump has not signed off on Israel Iran G7 statement. All right, so we're selling off a little bit on the SPY. Like to see it. I'm back to break even. Calls on the Qs. I don't know. We'll see. Honestly, I would like to see a pullback to at least the EMAs, which is about 533 on the Qs and about 602 on the SPY. Dang, AMD still doing this. Okay, so AMD did just close this third candle. So AMD looking good. Honestly, should have known with this first little 30-minute candle, that thing is strength. I think like whenever I used to see a candle like this on a certain time frame, I used to just get in like directly after that candle because it would still have some movement. I think I'm just like watching too many. Actually, I think I still do that on the 4-hour. If I see a 4-hour candle like that, like if the 4-hour candle on AMD closes like this run will probably go crazier. Let's pull NVIDIA up. See what y'all are talking about with that move. I don't think NVIDIA is as vertical as AMD. AMD is having more of a day. Yeah, AMD is up like, dang. Hey, people trying to finally waking up to my boy. What? Is this real? I see one of my friends, they said Trump organization announces mobile plan $499 smartphone. Is this real? Trump mobile cell phone service announced in latest. Is this real? No, wait. Oh, she's pumping another crypto. Hold up. Last one she pumped was like a 40x. I might have to get on it. Throw in some of my free crypto real quick. Hold on, y'all. I think I might buy some. Let's see. Here, I'll try to like share it on screen with y'all after I get this app and like do all the personal stuff, but I'll show y'all. But here, let's see. Okay. 13 and 48 EMAs crossed to the upside since open. Yeah, I think most things that we were looking at were other than Oracle, like everything's been crossed up to the upside. So it's like difficult when it's like already crossed up like that for me. Other than like catching a pullback. But yeah, if you look at like AMD, so opening candle right here, it was already pulled. It was in this area, and it's like, yo, I'm not just buying like that at open. But yeah. Have you looked at HIMS? So we took a look at it earlier today. Here, let's see. Where is it at right now? Oh, it's still, yeah, Hims is still in the same area we last saw it at. It hasn't progressed too much since I last looked at it. But let's see. So yeah, it looks like it went up and hit 61. Do you think AMD can hit? Yeah, I think it can. I'm not sure about today, but I very much think it can. Um, yes, I'm more waiting for the put. Is the hype for Coinbase over? I don't know. All right, y'all. So I just got the Phantom crypto wallet app. It says, wait. Oh, create a new wallet. All right, so here. Hold up. Wait, let's see. Okay. Yes, Trump has a phone. You can millennia. Oh, oh, M-Sense. All right, so here I'm gonna make this account. What new crypto are you talking about? I'm gonna show y'all in a second. Here, let's see. It's something. It's called like here. Let me see what it was called. Wait, where'd it go? Where is her Instagram? Oh, I can see my wife's Instagram again. Oh, her post is back. Okay, cool. All right, she's back. All right. But yeah, let me get back to this person's. I lost the. Her name is Armel. So I think it's called Trump Mobile or something like that. Let me see. All right, so here, let me make this account. Create a username. It wants me to be Major Peach 4971. We're gonna have to. Do I want to use my name with crypto? I feel like I got another name to use. I just can't think of it. I got one. Of course, that's not available. Okay, there we go. Got a name. Okay, yeah, Nvidia's going crazy. All right, let's see. Nvidia, Sleeping Beauty is woken up. Smart move buying Nvidia now. I mean, potentially, yes, it's broken out. So yeah, definitely some good potential there. It's just we don't know why it's moving exactly. AMD, what goes up will come down. Yeah, AMD should like retest, pull back, retest at some point. So I'm not like too worried about it. God is good. She's back. Pause. Resume. Oh, y'all, hey. Okay, I see y'all playing off each other in the. Okay, look at y'all. Okay, let's see. So receive. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me see how I need to get this real quick. I'm gonna see if I can call her real quick. She kind of. I'm gonna try to call her real quick. She can be very busy, but I'm gonna ask her about it. She might not answer. Let's see. Hey, I got a question. Like serious. Okay, so I see this Trump mobile, right? I'm on live stream. You're not on speaker or anything. But is this the new move? Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh well, I'm not like too worried because I have like free money I could throw at it. But I was just curious, so like if you had association, but I guess not. Uh huh. Okay. All right. Well, thank you. I'll probably give you a little shout out on my stream. All right. Appreciate you. Yeah. Yeah. You too, Armo. All right. Bye. All right, y'all. So got kind of like the situation, the lowdown or whatnot with the coin or whatnot. So last one, she was actually involved with like the creator or whatever. Here, let me. I'm a post her Instagram in the chat so y'all can like look if y'all want. They're on her stories. Let's see. So this girl, like, I kind of got into like in college. She was one of my wife's teammates. If you see her page, she has like nice cars and stuff. I take credit for that on the cool. Just a little bit. Like I got her in Tesla like extra early. But if you check that link I posted, like look at her stories, that's going to be the coin. But I'm going to be real, she does like pump things a lot. So like just be aware she pumps things. So it's like whenever it comes to investment advice, I wouldn't fully follow her for it, but like it's like she's usually on things that are kind of hot. So if you're if you like to follow that, not a bad person to follow. All right. Oh, you said I saw what she did with sugar daddies. Yeah, she told my wife to get in. Like, bro, like when she told my wife about that, we had like she said, "Oh, one of my friends made it, blah blah blah, and all that stuff," and I'm just like, uh, initially it's like I know, like I've met her friends, but she didn't tell me this was a friend that I didn't know, so it's like, okay, natural. I'm thinking, okay, I've met her friends, I've seen her friends, so I had very very low expectations. But like after the fact, I'm like, oh, now that I see, oh, there was actually a business model and plan with this. I'm like, oh, should have got in. But oh well. Let's see. Hope Nvidia hits 150 so I can close these calls. I hope Nvidia does it too. That'd be nice. Trump technology. No, it's one more time. It's called like. Wait, Tesla's moving up too. Here, let's see. Still finding like a little resistance right now, but I think it's Trump Mobile. Like it's legit Trump Mobile. Here, hold up. Let me actually do this real fast. because I still haven't actually purchased it. So let me go to my Coinbase, see if I can send some money over. Dang, Coinbase looks like it got an update. I'm not even sure I know how this. This is gonna be a second, y'all. Trade, portfolio, transfer. There we go. Or isn't there like a send button? How do I send money? Is it a meme coin? Yes. Yes, I think I'm pretty sure it's a meme coin crypto. That's when I say she gave us she told us about that other one like super early. Yeah, it's a meme. It's like meme crypto and stuff. But I think she said she already like 3x her investment or whatever. Or no, she said like 2x. I think she said she threw like 1,000 in. She said it's at like 2,300. I was like, okay, that's cool. He said, okay, had a little call on SMCI also. Let's see how SMCI is doing. I just saw it. Where'd it go? Oh, it's up 6%. Meta is dropping some Oakleys. Really? Okay. Where are my Meta shades? That might be kind of clean. Meta Oakleys. Okay. Y'all know I'm gonna have to do a little review. Amazon's on the move. Okay, everything's on the move right now. I'm gonna need the market to just. Oh, we got so much moving that. Here, let's go up to a 4-hour. Yeah, Amazon. Nah, yeah, for real. I play Roblox. Almost makes me wish I had vision insurance. Low-key, Have I showed y'all my Have I showed y'all the glasses I just got? They're like transitions. When the news shows puts buy calls for real. That's the strategy. Honestly, I'm gonna say like, yeah, we look like probably a side like 85 to 90% of the time calls. It's like you may get slaughtered for a little bit, even if you were buying into the bearishness. But yo, calls have been the move. All right, I still haven't sent this money. How do I? Whoa, hold up. What just happened to my money? Oh, okay. It just like flashed 0. So I was like, yo. I thought somebody just like ripped my money. Okay, I really don't know how to navigate this new app though. This new Coinbase. I don't think the queues are coming down that much anymore for now. We'll have to see. We still got 8 minutes till Euro close, but let's see. Receive. I want to say it's probably like Solana, right? portfolio trade. Bro, this new Coinbase, it looks like it's a lot better for trading, but it's like so confusing to me. All right, so I'm going to. Oh no, hold up, hold up. That's not what we want to do. Can I convert this? You can actually sit here and trade. This is so confusing. Yeah, dang, that Trump Mobile is already up 8,000 since this morning. Have a good day, everyone. Hey, you too, Ken. I bought Trump Mobile on Phantom. They got it. That's what I was trying to do. Peace out, Ken. I'm really just trying to figure this out right now. I gotta get this money out of Coinbase. They just like completely like I used to be able to just transfer from one to another. Like it's like, oh, convert. But there's no like convert button. See my portfolio. Transfer. Oh, okay, there's a convert button. There we go. Here we go. Let's see. Did we get it done? All right, let's see. What's the name of the meme coin? I think it was like Trump Media or something, or Trump Mobile. Send USDC. It looks like I can just do. It looks like so I changed it to Solana. Yeah, and I like copied my Solana wallet. Hey, we'll see what happens. I'm either about to lose some money or we'll see. Okay, let's see. I have a friend ready to FOMO into Garf. If I've never heard of it, I can't buy it on Weevil. You might. What is Garf? Garf. This looks like a no-no to me. This looks like a big no-no to me, in sense. That's all I would say. All right, we got the spy pulling back, but Garf looks like a no. Like it's one thing to have money in there, like hope for a pop, but that looks like a nah to me. AMD's pulling back. YouTube crash. Did you get the message about? Yes, I got your message about Pi. And I said no. Actually no. I've been sent so much about that. Like that's like the where you can mine it on your phone. It kind of seems like a scam to me, just in my opinion. Okay, I got my money there. All right, let's see if I can buy this now. Let's see. What is it? Trump. What is it? Media? No, it was like Trump Mobile. Is that the right one? Okay, yeah, I see it. Hold up. Let me just make sure that's the right one. Let me check. Yeah, that's the right one. Uh, okay. All right. So, yeah, I just threw like $70 at Trump Mobile. Or I guess, no, I threw $66 at Trump Mobile. Okay. We'll see what happens. Oh, you said make sure to get the right one. I saw there's two. Okay. Um, it's the one that was up like almost 8,000% today. So, yeah, my buddy got me mine too. It's to mine it, but apparently it's transferable. I'm trying to swing Solana on a weekly basis right now. I'm trying to set the right indicators to watch to chart out the place. I don't know. I just kind of let it go. Can you chart Nvidia? Right now, Nvidia is like it's here. It's on the chart. Um, so we can look at what's charted. Nvidia, honestly, like this trend line that I have here, Nvidia like shouldn't have trouble. It could get to like 150 without trouble. But there is also some looks like liquidity over in this at this like 149.32 area. So I'll watch out for that, but really easiest thing is going to be to like kind of watch the EMAs and see kind of how that goes. I know it's a big no-no. He knows about it. He wants to put a. I would say, why does he want to put $1,000 in? Like it's one thing if he has like some information that like, oh, there's this potential catalyst or this, that's like cool. But if it's like, oh yeah, someone just told me about it and they made money from it once, I'd be like, maybe lower that. Like it's like maybe like get $1,000 in his hand and then just steal it from him and then ask him how he likes that. And it's like this is what can happen to your money if you just put it in there without any real reason. It's like sometimes it's like, oh, $50. It's like, yeah, it is what it is. Well, no, it's not completely it is what it is, but it's like the fact that all this money is digital, people kind of lose some of the feeling associated with it. But yeah, it's like honestly, give him $100 and just rip it from him. See how he feels about that. What app did I use for Trump Mobile? So I used, what is it? I think it was the one that somebody said it here a moment ago. What's it called? Phantom. Let me look around at this. Oh, you're able to have followers on here. Hey, if y'all want to, I don't know what the benefit is, but if you want to see my account, that's my Phantom account. Can I follow if y'all tell me y'all's accounts or if oh, y'all can't show y'all's account. How can I look y'all up? Followers. How do I follow people? I don't know, but yeah. If y'all ever want, oh, I'm up on the Trump coin. I think I don't know how to see how much I'm up, but I know it's higher than it was when I bought it. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but it's Phantom. All right, so spy pulling back a little bit. The Qs are like holding up. Oracle is testing the 13 EMA again. Today feels weird to me. Like it's a good day, but it feels weird to me. Monday vibes. Oh, that's a good way to say it. It's also weird that the stock market's going to be closed on Thursday. Was the stock market closed last year for Juneteenth? Oh, I wasn't even in America last year. That's why I don't even. But I still would have traded or still would have paid attention to the market. Bro, it's crazy. I've almost been back for a year. I think I made some good moves since I've been back on the cool. All right, so we got the spy moving down a little more. Let me check in on my put. Oh, yeah, this Trump mobile, I think I bought in around 70. It's up to 83 now. I don't know how to see like my percentage returns, but it'd be nice if I could see my percentage return. But this Trump mobile is moving. Okay. AMD trying to go back for it again. All right, so I will say, well, they're in an uptrend right now. It's like this is liquidity right now, but also they created some liquidity down here as well. So I'm interested to see kind of what happens like at this high they just posted. Oh, we did just get Euro close. Let's see what happens here. Quick check in on Tesla. Tesla's still around that 330 area. AMD pushing up. Google chilling. Apple's chilling. SoFi. Oh, when that happened? Didn't realize SoFi still kind of kept going. So they have this gap to fill up to 1483. Watch SoFi a little bit. Let me slide this up here. Still trying to figure out how to add money into Phantom. All right, so I do want to say the move that I made with Phantom, that move was made with money that like that's just like money I got from doing like those free like learnings on Coinbase. So I do want to say that. And then what do I say? Bro, the kind of spam I get is crazy, bro. It's like I'll see names of my friends and then it'll be like a spam email. So I'm like, oh shoot, that's an old friend. How do you find my email? I'm like, oh, that's spam. Okay, but so what I did when it came to doing it was I converted it to Solana and then I copied my wallet, like copied my wallet name in Solana, and then I just or I copied my Solana wallet name and then I just sent it from Coinbase. Let me. I feel like I mean, I do have my wallet linked up to Coinbase, but I feel like I'd be a little hesitant, like linking my wallets. Um, I don't even know how you. Yeah, I don't even know how you get money over here without just sending it over from elsewhere. You might have to send it somewhere. You have to buy Solana to buy it. Grab USDC for Coinbase, transfer it to Phantom Wallet. You can also do it with Solana. So yeah, I had Solana. All right, let's see. All right, so AMD still trying to push. Let's check back in on SoFi. SoFi trying to push too. Trump is speaking. Yeah, let's see. See what his schedule is for the day. See if it's something important. So it would likely be this one. Here. Do you know what he's speaking about or where you see him speaking? Because what it says he should be doing right now, it doesn't look like there is a. Oh well, never mind. It doesn't say closed press. Here, let's see if there's any like updates. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it should be anything big from what I'm seeing. Got to be careful with transfers. I sent Bitcoin on ETC network and Robinhood doesn't support ETC network, and now that money is stuck on the blockchain. That's wild. CNBC. Here, I'll look for the headlines to see if it looks like anything interesting, but I feel like it's a non-event. CNBC likes to claim my videos, and then the alerts are on my channel all day. Here, let's see. Trump has now stopped speaking. Oh, he stopped. Okay. Yeah, it's like Trump speaks like every day. So it's like just like the thought of him speaking, it doesn't really doesn't really mess with me that much. It's just like whenever he's supposed to speak on something like specific, it's like, oh, all right, this might not be well. This might not be good, but excuse me, I'm trying to. Hey, okay. Appreciate the person that just smashed that like. You got us. You freed us today. Appreciate you, family. SoFi trying to get back to 15. We'll see. So they fill in the gap at 1482. Freedom, yes sir, yes sir. All right, so looks like Derive put in some SPY call scalps, which means we might push up a little bit higher here, but it also may be short-lived. Which is fine to me. Appreciate you, Lucky J. He's unpredictable. You never know what's going to happen. Trump mobile lines are down. What does that mean? Hey, it's up like 10,000%. Not from where I'm in, but I think it was up just under 8,000 when I got in. Let me look up Trump mobile on Google. See what it says. Trump organization announces. Okay, so it looks real. Okay, I only saw this on that girl's story. That's kind of wild. Unveiled a mobile phone plan. Low-key, I'm gonna have to check out this smartphone. Apparently, he said something about Apple having to pay a 25% or more tariff for the iPhones paid outside of the States or made outside of the States. Oh, you were talking about the charts. Wait, you said they're down. Hold up. Wait, how long has this been a thing? Bro, they're kind of just going crazy today. Oh, Oracle trying to pull it back up. I'm gonna hope they continue the trend. AMD kind of holding. SoFi. Apple back to the day's low, of course. Let's take a look at Apple again. Swap out Apple for Nvidia. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. SQQQ put. That's bullish, I guess. Swing. Very interested to see how today plays out. We got this short week. I won't be mad if we just decide, hey, let's go run to fill in that gap towards the end of the day. I would be very, very cool with that. So I guess we're just chilling here right now. Guess we're just gonna sit here. I think it's time for a bit of a bird's eye view. Go back out to that 4 hour. Still got 8 minutes on this candle. Waiting until 11:05. We might have to stay on an extra 5 minutes today on the cool. It really would feel nice to experience at least the start of it with y'all. Cause I'm like, it's like, yo, when I see it happening and the stuff starts, I'm like, oh wow. I'll be like, let's go. Wow. And then it's like, oh, I wish I was on stream right now. Yeah, cause it's like I always want to be like, oh yeah, let's go, but it's like, oh yeah, I'm not trying to just be locked down to it though. It's always nice to see the movement on stream, but it is a rare event. So I'm still not fully convinced with AMD. We can get rid of this little supply zone, but still not fully convinced actually. Qs need to start doing something. I feel like the time's approaching. SPY still selling off on the 30 though. Kind of. What's the short week for GE? I can pull up GE. I just don't fully know what you mean by that. GE Aerospace. Are they aerospace now? What? Is this General Electric? Are they an aerospace company now? I need answers. Gotta check out the website. Oh yeah, that's General Electric. It's kind of clean. All right. Oh, right now their EMA's crossed to the downside. They're in a downtrend. GE has an aerospace division. Yeah, it looks like their aerospace division is doing what it does. My goodness. I didn't even know that. All the companies out there. So if I were to draw a trend line on this, it does look like they're above the trend line, though. I will say that. But they're currently below the EMA, so I want to see how this plays out. Like, this candle could be a fake out. They have a... Yeah, I know they had some spin-offs and whatnot, but like this one seems to be the big one because, you know, it's the company is GE. And then, you know, you type in ticker GE, you get the aerospace division. So, hey, my mind's just blown right now, man. GE made the GAU on the A10. Ryan, I think you're going over my head. So, GAU, I'm gonna have to do some searching. All right, let's see. GAU. Does it have to do anything with the gun? Oh, okay. All right. Cool. All right, so that's kind of my analysis for now. It's in a downtrend. It's currently at the trend line. We would need to see what's going on here. Like, we need, like, patience is in order. Okay, hey, SPY look like it's pulling back a little bit. Okay, I might be able to hit my goal today. Oh yeah, I'm up $21. I think a stop loss might be in order. Yeah, I'm gonna come down to a lower time frame on the SPY. Well, it bounced at that 13 EMA and it's no longer at my target. Those dogs just took off. Hold up. Yeah, those dogs just darted on out of there. Oh, okay. Let's see. So we're still moving up on... Oh, we'll see what happens. We still got a few minutes. Here. I'm interested, just trying to find a good entry in how long. If you're going for upside, it looks like this 225 would be a good entry for a move to the upside, potentially. But ideally what you do is look to the left. Every time you see one of these kind of changes in direction, that's going to be a level. So like if we're looking at just this screen right here on the 4 hour, direction changes here, direction changes here, direction changes here. And notice it's like not going to be perfect, but if we're drawing like just kind of areas, you got direction change in this area and you can see it kind of happens from here to here. So I would put a level here. You got another direction change in this area. And you can see like, oh, yeah, it changes over here and over here. And it's kind of like a little bit of a range, but it's like that's a level I would have. And then to the downside, you got a direction change kind of right here. So that's one I would do. And then, oh, this one's more recent, but you also got one right here from when it pulls up, pulled, and then came back up. So that's kind of how I'd be looking at it. Ideally, you ride from one level to the next. If it still has momentum, you can ride it, but ideally you're just trying to go from one point A to point B, because oftentimes it'll get to point B and then it'll just turn around. All right. Yeah, let's see if we get anything pop off at 11:05. It's about to be lunchtime though. Not gonna lie. The stomach is definitely, the hunger has definitely made itself known. All right, so we got our first kind of 4-hour candle close on the day. So actually, if we go up on the SPY on the 4-hour, we can see right here we're actually rejected this area on the 4-hour. So we'll kind of see what this candle looks like. I would not be mad if we got like kind of like a mirror image kind of candle. But yeah, just how high do we get? We got up to like 604.39. That's kind of cool for the thought of what is it? The possibility of coming down, let's just say that. Maybe we go back up again, maybe we get some kind of double top. 35-day countdown to kava for me. Maybe I should have kava every day until that day to make up for it for you. Nah, that's a lot of kava. What about the Qs? So it's going to be a similar situation on the Qs. Not exactly the same, but once again, it's rejecting too. So if we were to compare the SPY and the Qs, here, let's bring it a little closer. Yeah, they're going to be very similar, but kind of some of the peaks and valleys they're a little off. But yeah, they both have like kind of selling pressure up here. Not saying that we can't push through it, but it's looking kind of like the selling pressure is there. So we kind of got our front half of the day worked in there. Now we could get like our little back half sell off would be in order for me. Yeah, I'm liking the start of this 4-hour candle though on the cool. All right, so once again we're here at the 13 EMA. Let's E them A's. All right, E them MA's. All right, so also just taking a moment to check in on the vote here. So tennis took the poll. All right, 51% tennis, 16% pickleball, and 33% nah, fam. Okay. I'm gonna say I like them both. I would say when it comes to watching, I think I'd rather watch tennis. When it comes to playing, like if I were to have a tournament of one or the other with y'all, I probably wanted to be a pickleball tournament because I feel like it'd be more competitive. I feel like it's so much easier to like get people into pickleball and like for you to level up and whatnot. All right, so we're right here at this 13 EMA on the SPY. Let's see if we still got a fair value gap to like this about 601.72 area as well. Oh shoot, we got 1 minute till it's been till 11:05. Let's see if we start popping off. Let's see. They might be going up for the double top. We don't know. I don't know. Tennis is far more fun to watch. Pickleball is for anyone. Age does not matter. Hey, for real. We have 60, 70-year olds here in Panama that think they, nah, for real. Actually, they do have a pickleball. There is like a tour for like, I think there's like three kind of divisions like professional for pickleball. There's like I think like there's an older like major league for pickleball out here too. You said they're ready. Oh shoot! Oh, hey, hey, we're right here. It's like we're trying to do some selling. Let's see. I stayed an extra minute, but yo, they're trying. It's like they're trying. They're like, is he gone yet? Is he leaving? Bro, tennis, you play. Hey, honestly, yeah, tennis, you definitely work up a sweat. Honestly, if you're playing pickleball too and you're getting moving, you're working up a sweat there too. But yeah, tennis, you definitely have to. You have the court is bigger. It's more work. But honestly, if I'm playing either, it's like I'm working it up pretty fast. All right, family. I feel like they're waiting on me. Logging off for the day. Hey, I'm right here with you, Mark, cause I feel like they're waiting on me. I'm gonna say y'all look for the move. Look for the move. They are waiting on me. But right, go ahead, spy drop. Then yeah, hey, we'll take that. Any contracts use. It's way too soon to look at anything specifically for the weekend. That's like I'm in a spy put. I'm in a put on Oracle. But beyond that, that's like I don't have any suggestions. I just share what I do. But yeah, that's going to do it for the day, family. They are waiting for me to get off this stream. So, hey, things might accelerate once this stream ends. But with that being said, I want to say thank y'all for freeing us. Thank you for coming through. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I hope y'all have a blessed day. I hope each one of y'all's trades go in y'all's directions and that you get out profitably. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Let's see. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Mark. Peace out, Ronica. 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 You know, we'll have to go over that in the future. Peace out, Ryan. Peace out, Philip. Peace out, Anil. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, Tyler. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, Christine. Peace out, General of News. Peace out, Jeremy Johnson. Peace out, Kilo Hotel. If I miss your name or I don't say your name, it's not because I don't love you. It's just because I signed off too soon. But, yo, with that being said, family, I'll peace out, Natasha. Yeah, Matthew Mayo signing off once again. And I want to change your life. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, Kareem. Yo, y'all stay blessed. Peace out, family.